Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to crochet this really beautiful stitch, the feather stitch. And this is how it looks like on the other side. This is one row repeat and it's not as difficult as it looks. This stitch works really well for both men and women and is really thick, so it will be really cozy to crochet blankets and wearables for the winter. Alright, let's get started. To begin the pattern, make a slip knot and make a foundation chain in any even number. I'm making a chain of 38. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To begin round 1, start on the second chain from hook. That's 1, 2, this one here. Turn to the back and place a half double crochet into the little bump on the back of the chain. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. 1 chain. Skip 1, half double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. 1 chain. Skip 1, half double crochet, one chain. Skip 1, half double crochet. And repeat this all the way to the end. And I'll meet you on the next round. On round 1, we ended with a half double crochet into the last stitch. And to begin the next round, 1 chain and turn. On the first stitch, place a half double crochet. It always begins with a half double crochet and ends with a half double crochet. 1 chain. Now to begin the feather stitch. In this chain space, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over. This time, insert the hook into the chain we skipped. Yarn over, pull up a loop, pull the loop all the way up. Yarn over and insert the hook into the next chain space here and pull up a loop. Now that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops, yarn over and pull through 7 loops. 1 chain. That's a feather stitch. And try to keep your stitches loose. Again, yarn over, insert into the previous chain space from the last stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert into the chain we skipped. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Make sure to pull the loop all the way up. And yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain space. With 7 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 7 loops. 1 chain. Again, yarn over, insert into the previous chain space from the last stitch. Yarn over, insert into the chain we skipped. And make sure to draw the loop all the way up. And yarn over, insert into the next chain space. with 7 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 7 loops, 1 chain. Repeat this all the way to the end, and I'll meet you at the end of the round. At the end of the round, on my last feather stitch, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, insert into the chain, pull up the loop, yarn over, insert into the last chain space, and yarn over, pull through 7 loops, 1 chain. On the last stitch here, place a half double crochet. So we always end with a half double crochet and starts with a half double crochet. And this is the end of round 2. To begin round 3, 1 chain and turn. The first stitch is always a half double crochet. One chain. In the first chain space here, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, and now there's a chain space right below the first chain space, right here. So yarn over and insert the hook into the chain space and pull up a loop. Then yarn over into the next chain space, this one here. Seven loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 7 loops, 1 chain. That's the first feather stitch for this row. Again, yarn over, insert into the previous chain space of the last stitch. Now there's a space below the chain space, right over here. Yarn over and insert into this chain space. And draw up a loop. Make sure to draw the loop all the way up. Then yarn over, insert into the next chain space. And pull through 7 loops to complete the stitch. 1 chain. And this is a repeat. Repeat this all the way to the end and repeat this round for as many times as needed for your project. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked today's tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!